Intengo yo-petrol izokwehla ngo R2.04 ilitha, kuthi eyodiesel yehle ngo-46 cents kuya ku-56 cents ilitha. Uparaffin wona uzokwehla ngo-82 cents ilitha, kuthi igas yehle ngo-R1.65 ikilogram.
The main reasons for this adjustment are as follows. The first one is the lower oil prices, which led to the lower prices of all petroleum products. And also the rand appreciated slightly against the US dollar during the period under review. The department approved an increase of 30.66 cents per litre on the slate levy, which is applicable on both petrol and diesel. The slate levy is expected to decrease if the current downward trend persists.
Osomnotho bathi izelezi kuyindaba ezinhle kubashayeli beemoto, lokho angeke kube nomthelela ongako entengweni yokudla.
Food prices and goods in South Africa is mainly transported by means of diesel. So I don't think that we will expect any sort of rapid effect on food prices and the things that are really pressing the majority of South African right now.
Lomnyango wezamandla namagugu ambiwayo uphasise intela ka-80 cents ilitha nokuyimali ephezulu ngo-30 cents kuneyafakwa ngoNtulikazi. Le ntela izofakwa ohlakweni lentengo yopetrol okusuka ngoLwesithathu.